If your TikTok account has been locked, there could be several reasons. To unlock your TikTok account, here are some steps you can take to try to fix your locked TikTok account. Solution 1. Appeal the decision if you believe that your account was locked by mistake. You can open your browser, tap the TikTok appeal, tap Account Safety, scroll down to bottom, tap Please send a report here. Now fill up this form very carefully. First, you need to add email, username, choose to select an option, select account ban or suspension, tap select an option, tap ban account not age related, write them about your problem. Write, hey there TikTok, my account is locked and I can't use it. Please unlock my account. Upload a photo of your problem. Select all those check marks. Now tap Submit. It's important to note that it may take some time for TikTok to respond to your request. It can take up to 24 hours. After everything's okay, then they are going to unlock your account. Thanks for watching.